In this video, we will connect your social media accounts so you can manage everything from a single dashboard. First, log into your Postrillo account. Once inside, head over to the Channels section. Here you will find the option to add new channels. Click on Add Channels to begin the setup process. Next, you will see a list of available social media platforms. Select the accounts you want to connect, such as Facebook, Instagram, X, or LinkedIn. After selecting your desired platforms, simply sign in and authorize access by granting the required permissions. Once completed, your accounts are successfully connected and synced with Postrillo. From this point, you can manage all your social media activity, scheduling, and publishing directly from the platform without switching tools.